Hello, nonprofit leaders. I'm Shabnam Mogharabi, and I am so honored to join you in October at the Nonprofit Leadership Conference. I want you to get ready because when I get up on stage with you, I am going to ask you to join a rebellion for joy. No, I am not a Pollyanna. I am just a firm believer in the power of joy and specifically the tools of positive psychology to bring more hope and meaning and connection into our lives. And holy hell, do we need it right now. There is so much division, so much anxiety, so much loneliness, anger in so many spaces of our lives. So on October 8th, I am going to hit you hard with some of the practical tools of positive psychology, skills like gratitude, vulnerability, mindfulness, community, purpose, all the things that can help shift our individual mindsets and our collective teams. Because it starts with us. Y'all lead nonprofits every day. I don't have to tell you how hard and rewarding the work that you do is. And some days it might feel like it's all too much, that you're gonna get overwhelmed or burned out. But you keep showing up, and you keep showing up because the work you do matters. Well, I believe that joy matters too. So hopefully what I share with you on October 8th is gonna arm you and your team and entice you to join my rebellion for joy. So we're going to get real about all of this at the Nonprofit Leadership Conference. If you have not registered yet, get on it. Go to nlctb.org. I can't wait to see you in a couple of months. I'm so excited. Bye.